This patient was not happy. She done a lowering hairline in another clinic. The graft was misplaced. Double and triple was put in hairline. We're going to take this graft out and relocate at the back. The technique, what we're going to do is a smart re-FUE. Now at the hairline here, there is double, triple. That's the reason the hairline is not natural and patient is not happy. Point number 2, the direction is not correct. The angle is not correct, it's going this way. So we have completed the re-FUE and this is all the extraction sites. By tomorrow it will close, it will heal well and it will not leave a scar. Today already day 7, all the graft you remove is almost perfect, patient is happy, but here there's about 10% left over. So we need to re-FUE again in 1 month's time. The extraction site of re-FUE healed very well. There's no any scar seen here. Now it's already 1 week we have done the smart re-FUE. What is your feeling?
I feel look much natural and the low scar can be seen, so I'm very happy for the result. Thank you so much, doctor, for settling my unnatural hair.